Hi! Yes, I am walking in the snow. I am Jen Carter. We're here in Aspen, Colorado, and I'm going to show you dancer pose because I don't want to be in the snow very long in what I'm wearing. So I'm going to dance right out of it. So most importantly, you want to find some balance in one foot. So I'm going to start on my right foot. I'm going to ground down in my right foot. Keep your knees right next to each other. Take the other foot into your other hand. So my right foot's grounded, my left foot's in my left hand. I'm going to reach my right arm into the air. I'm freezing. I know this is fast. I'm looking at you. Don't look in either direction. Keep your focus on one point. That's called your drishti point. Keep your focus there, and then slowly start to tip your weight like a teapot by kicking the foot into the hand. So the more you kick the foot into the hand and reach with the opposite hand in the other direction, the easier it is to balance. So I'm using my left foot kicking into my hand to help me stay balanced. So you're going to kick, 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 and then slowly come out of it. Ah, it's freezing. We're in Aspen! And that's dancer pose in Aspen, Colorado. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jen Carter.